Academic English is the language of school, especially colleges and universities. It's used in your lectures, seminars, books, and journals. Whether you call it formal English or English for academic purposes, you need it to succeed in school. So, it's important to know the 4 ways that academic English differs from everyday English. Way number 1. Its vocabulary includes academic and subject-specific words. Number 2. Its formal style is aimed at scholarly audiences. 3. Slang, contractions, figurative language, first-person pronouns, and colloquialisms are usually not allowed. And 4th, its tone is cautious, objective, and balanced. Here's a quick guide to mastering these basics of academic English. First, avoid first-person pronouns. For example, compare these 2 sentences. I think that the first-person pronoun is not commonly used in academic English. The first-person pronoun is not commonly used in academic English. As you see, personal phrases such as I think, I believe, and in my opinion are avoided in academic writing. Remember, teachers want to know what you can demonstrate or prove, not just your personal opinions. 2. Avoid absolutes. Absolute words such as all, every, any, always, never, perfect, forever, everybody, and nobody don't allow for the exception. So, they are avoided in academic English. Examples. For today's high school graduates, technical training is always a good idea. For today's high school graduates, technical training can be a good idea. 3. Avoid vague general statements. There are 2 important reasons for this rule. First, vague language can be misleading. Second, vague statements force the reader to guess at the intended meaning. Compare these 2 statements. Many scholars argue that structure is important in academic English. Compare that to scholars such as She, 1986, and Kavanaugh, 2002, argue that structure is important in academic English. The first statement is unacceptable without the second. And 4th, employ hedging language. Hedging language allows for the inevitable exception, thereby increasing your statement's credibility. Hedging words can be verbs like seem, suggest, indicate, might, could. They can be adjectives, likely, unlikely, many, some, much, or adverbs, possibly, perhaps, usually, often, sometimes, or even nouns, likelihood, possibility, probability. Notice how the second sentence in this next pair is made more credible with the addition of a hedging word. Children living in poverty do poorly in school. Children living in poverty often do poorly in school. Next, when writing your research paper, be careful not to overclaim. For example, studies prove trans fats have no health benefits. Sorry, but proofs should be reserved for mathematics. Instead, write, studies indicate or studies suggest trans fats lack health benefits. Here's another common example. The results show the dangers of trans fats. Instead of the results showing something to be conclusively true, good academic English would hedge. The results support previous findings on the dangers of trans fats. To wrap this up, when reporting on a study or group of studies, choose words that accurately convey the level of confidence that researchers have in the findings. Any claim that research has proven something should tickle your hedging antenna.